We're eating everything, and this nice young lady is helping us. Amazing customer service. Is this a waffle? This is called a waffle.
Yeah.
This is a waffle. We about to have some waffles right now. The best waffle in Brussels. So the Boulogne King having her time. This one tastes like. That is all. I'm gonna tell you the truth. I don't even like heights, y'all. This ain't even my thing. But when in Rome, do what the Romans do. When in Brussels, get in troubles. These are the best way to get around. So if you see these, don't neglect these. Download the app and get around on these, because walking, you will be tired. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Now, our first stop on the list was the Grand Palace. This remarkable architecture was covered with gold everywhere. And I mean everywhere. Gold trim, gold statues. It was truly breathtaking and only minutes away from my hotel, so I had to come here first. Next up on the list, I went to Friterie Tabora, where I got some of Brussels' #1 street food, fries with a special sauce. If you had this, let me know what you thought about it.
So I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's hail. It's hail coming on the ground. Hail, pieces of ice, look at it. Hail falling on the ground. And we trying to go over there. Well, that was that. Rain and hailstorm done. That was a quick little rain shower. Still a little gloomy though. Alright, so we finna go up on this, the view in Brussels. As you can see, it's high as hell. I don't even like heights. Alright, I'm gonna tell you the truth. I don't even like heights, y'all. This ain't even my thing. But when in Rome, do what the Romans do. What's that silver thing over there? See all those balls over there? Just wanted you to see this. See that behind? See that behind? I don't think no one said how hot it is here. It was very, very hot. Then we had a hailstorm, and now it's very, very hot again. But I'm here in this beautiful park. It's actually free to come walk in. These are like some type of shrine or grave sites. And I just noticed like Europe has a lot of these beautiful attractions, a lot of stuff for free. Some stuff you gotta pay for tickets, but it's just so beautiful. This is a change. As you can see, we have shade. It feels so much better, so much cooler than walking out on the hot pavement. In my opinion, these are the best way to get around. So if you see these, don't neglect these. Download the app and get around on these, because walking, you will be tired. All right, it's extremely hot, I've noticed. and the weather changes so much out here, so you have to have layers. This is a beautiful place because you have a ton of shade, you have a ton of ducked off areas and benches where you can sit down. They have little fountains like this so you can get the breeze and the mist from the water. But all in all, this is a very tranquil park. I definitely recommend you come check this out. Where's the thing at?
The ball on your right.
Hey. We having a good time. That's 2 down. 3 to go. It's like a candy type of flavor. They give us this one tastes like this is better. Oh, it's definitely better.
It's like a light Bud Light.
Like a light Bud Light, he said. It's number 6. Remind me of apple. Almost the last ones.
I could just shoot past Brussels.
This is the second to last one, man. He's babysitting, but I'm on my second to last one, and I'm tore up from the floor. It's a different type of tour, but it's not the regular one. You on the last one?
Gobble gobble.
Alright, let me see.
Last one.
We want to give a shout out to Brother. Thank you for your contribution. As you can see, it hasn't gone unnoticed. So, Miss Reyes. We're eating everything, and this nice young lady is helping us. Amazing customer service. Is this a waffle? This is called a waffle.
Yeah.
This is a waffle. We're about to have some waffles right now. The best waffle in Brussels. You know it. Oh, that's mine. Look at it. He's hitting it with that good stuff. Oh my God. Shizzle, I'm upset you can't have this. I'm upset.
Probably commit a sin.
You see the prices if you're wondering about prices and stuff. Really good stuff, y'all. So, you see up here, this is the attic. A remarkable piece of art. I mean, just look at this.
And finally, we ended up back here at the Grand Palace to bring things full circle. I wanted to show you guys the difference from what it looks like during the daytime versus the nighttime. And as you can see, it's just as beautiful, if not better in my opinion. Still full of life, still full of tourists. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below.
Alright, y'all, so right now I'm heading back to my hotel. That was just a little bit of tour of Brussels. Some of the things I did, some of the foods I tried. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. For that, we out of here. All right, so that wraps up everything that I did here in Brussels, and some stuff you didn't see. But if you follow my social media, you'll get that unseen footage as well. It was amazing. If you haven't been here, make sure you come here. Now, we're on our way to Paris. Let's go.